aptitude in GATE examination is very important. It carries 15 marks out of 100. So don't forget to study for this. Now it has some part of English grammar, but we cannot say that in this time if we study that particular part, it will come in the exam. So there is not certainty. But what you can do, you can develop your logic. So in today's video, I am going to discuss the two problems in GATE 2023. So first problem is that we have given a parallelogram and we have given these sides PT, PV and PS, where this diagram is just a representative diagram, and we have asked what is the length of RS. Now here what we can do, we have RS as well as PQ. These two must be same because it is a parallelogram, and QR and PS, they are also same. So here it is 7 and we have to find this one. So what will be the answer? Now if you try to solve with different methods, I myself tried with different methods but I did not get this answer. So here we have to use some logic. Here I have this 90-degree angle. So this is a right angle triangle and I can use here the Pythagoras theorem. So this is right angle, so this is my diagonal, and therefore square of this is equal to square of this plus square of this. So square of 7 is 49, square of 25 is square of 5 is 25. So the remaining must be the square of the side of SV. So we get 424, right? So the distance of this is equal to root 24, which is close to 5, because you can see this is 5, square root of 8 is equal to square root of this is 25 and square root of this is 24. So just smaller than this PV. Now I have to check the options here, because you can see if SV is this much, then SR must be more than that. So if I have to calculate, what is this? This is less than 3 because 21 is 7 3 21, so it is less than 3. Now if I check this one, it is just 4.5. Okay, so these two options are not correct. Now if I say this, approximately answer 8.75 and this is 5.6 something. Okay, so this one is closer. Okay, and why not this? Because it is more than 7, and you can see this side is longer than this side, and therefore this also cannot be the option. So this B option is the correct option. Now if we solve for this, here we have a polynomial and we have asked what is the coefficient of x raised to 4. Now what we have to do, we have to expand this, and here we can use the formula. Here x minus a, or let's say a minus b formula you must know. A plus or minus b bracket cube. This formula is a cube plus or minus 3ab square. 3a square b plus 3ab square plus or minus b cube. So here minus sign is there, therefore here also we will have minus signs. And if you compare this polynomial, a is equal to x and b is equal to 1. For this, x is equal to a and b is equal to 2. So if we expand this, so I will first expand this one. So x cube minus 3x square into 1 plus 3x into 1 square, that is 1, minus 1 square, that is 1. So this is my first part. Into we have x raised to 3 minus 3x square into 2, so 6x square plus x into 3 into x into 2 square is 4. 3 4s are 12 x minus cube of this. So these two are this expansion of this polynomial. And now what I have, I want x raised to 4, coefficient of x raised to 4. So what I will do, I will only multiply those constants which have a multiplication and which will give result in x raised to 4. So I will multiply x cube into this x. So first thing is 12 x raised to 4, I will take common. I will take x raised to 4 common. I will not multiply everything. You can do this, but we don't have time. So I will multiply only this part. Now, if I multiply this by this, then also I will get x raised to 4. So I am multiplying this. So minus 6 minus 6 is plus 18. Again plus 18. Now again here 3x into x cube. If I multiply, then I will get plus 3x raised to 4, which is common. So no other combination will give x raised to 4. So I will just multiply this 12 plus 18 plus 3, which is 33. So this is the correct option. So we will try to solve some more examples from some other topics also, like mathematical or quantum, in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with the channel, like, share and subscribe.